How to share Instagram account link with another person. Wanted to share Instagram account links to other person but don't know how? Then do watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your mobile device or PC. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account which link you want to share to other person. Tap profile picture at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to this profile page, tap Share Profile next to Edit Profile button. The friends can either scan to follow you or you can share profile, copy link or download your profile link. Let's tap Share Profile. You can share the profile link via different medias like Messenger chats, Facebook, news feeds, Instagram feed, and many more. For now, let's select WhatsApp. Choose particular user or group and tap arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap arrow again. And that's it, how we can easily share our account link. If you wish to copy your link, then you can head into Instagram again and tap copy link and paste it anywhere you would like to, or tap download and you can include background and download, or you can save image or download as PDF. That depends upon you. Once done, the other person can easily scan it and follow your account on Instagram. I hope these steps were useful to you. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.